In this video, we will be replacing the headlamps in this 2012 Ford F150. Through the driver's side door, we want to locate the hood release latch and raise the hood. And taking a look at our headlamp assembly, we have two fasteners located on the top and one fastener located on the left side, this being for the driver's side headlamp. And these are 10mm fasteners. If we use some pressure and pull straight outwards, we can dislodge that headlamp assembly. If we take a little closer look, we can see two metal tabs that were holding this in place. Taking a look at the back of the unit, we have our headlamp bulb located towards the center. We have our blinker bulb located towards the base, and we have our parking light bulb located off to one side. And rotating this counterclockwise about a quarter of a turn, we can work that out. And then on the back side of that wiring harness, we have a small tab. This needs to be depressed, and then we can wiggle out our bulb. And I do like to compare my new bulb with my old bulb to make sure that it is the right part. This calls for an H13 for the headlamps, and we will be replacing these using cloth gloves so we don't accidentally touch the glass of the bulb. Now it is worth noting that one of the tab locations for that bulb is a little bit bigger than the other two. And then we also want to remove our old rubber gasket so our new bulb will fit in place. And that passenger side does have the same level of access, and the procedures are the same for replacing the headlamp. And with our bulb replaced, we can reseat that headlamp assembly, as well as reinstall those three fasteners. And this repair is complete.